this week, we're adding a celebrity factor to the Open House kitchen, giving 5 famous names the opportunity to show another side to their talents. Yesterday, actor George Baker starred in probably the only turkey of his entire career. But today it's the turn of one of the country's best-loved actresses. Now, she's been in the business for an amazing 66 years.
No, 68, Laura.
Oh, 68, excuse me.
Yeah.
Oh, excuse me. But she's about to cook apple crisp. Will you please welcome Dora Bryan?
Thank you very much.
Now, Dora, before you start cooking today, I want to show you a little bit of film from the last time you were on, because I don't think Paul Bloxham did it right. That's why you're back. Have a look at this.
My crust is not like that. I just serve a single cream. The apples aren't cooked enough.
Anything else? Is it crisp enough?
Oh, it's all right, but it's not as good as mine.
Which is why she's back, of course.
Yes.
So he didn't do it right, so you're going to do it yourself today.
Well, I don't always do it right myself. I'm a terrible cook. I always apologise. I put a meal on the table for Bill, you see, and then I say I'm sorry, and I go into the kitchen, you know, because...
Apologise before you even eat it.
Before
Now, listen, no panto this year, which is a novelty for you.
No pantomime, no, because I've done pantomime since I was 12, every year, practically every year, or I might have been in a musical or some show. And this year, I wasn't very well anyway in October, so, and it was just coming up to the deciding whether you go to, I won't mention the name of the place, there, or stay at home. And I said, no, I'll stay at home.
Oh, it's lovely to have a Christmas at home for a change, isn't it?
There's none of this dashing about, you know, with parcels and things. Because when you're in pantomime, you have to do all your shopping sort of in between rehearsals. You know, fly out during the rehearsal.
So you're going to have your family, your little grandchildren with you as well?
Only one grandchild. The other one that's in Wales, Sam, he's coming over, I think Boxing Day, something like that. But
lovely.
Christmas Eve, we've got Nathaniel sleeping with us.
So Santa Claus will be visiting, which is fantastic.
Yes.
Now, what goes into your apple crisp, apart from the apples, of course?
Right, this is a recipe that I started cooking years ago, and it's the only one I can do without really looking at the menu, at the book. So first of all, this is where he went wrong.
Where Paul Bloxham went wrong.
You've got to have Bramley apples for this particular... In fact, you only use Bramley apples for cooking anyway, I hope, because I find they're the only apples that fall. Do you know what that means, fall? Well, they come up in a sort of slosh, and, you know, they go down. They're
a bit frothy.
Bit frothy, yes. I think the cookery lady had another word for it.
Oh,
puree.
Puree.
Almost like a puree.
Very posh.
So, first of all... My cough's going to start. Oh, no.
I know, you've been coughing a bit, haven't you?
Yeah.
You just had a cold for a while.
So, look, this is what we're going to do.
So what have you done? You've just greased that, or have you got some pastry?
I've greased the bowl. Now, I'm putting a little bit of jam.
Little dots of jam all over
just
the
little
place.
drops of jam.
So is this a recipe that's been handed down your family?
No, I found it in Woman's Own or one of those magazines.
Just me thinking that was your mother sort of made it for years and years and years.
No, and now I've done the apples. Now, don't forget, you've got to put some water in the apples, otherwise it won't go slushy. It'll go... You'll see the apples, whereas this, you see, is more like a puree, isn't it?
Yes.
So there you are. You cut your apples and you put them on top like this.
Hope you've got enough apple there to go around.
I know, it's rather a big dish for the... Actually, you can double up and, you know, do more apples if you've got a big family, or if people like second helpings, which my lot do with this one. So you spread that out.
Around, OK.
Now...
Probably could have done a wee bit more apple there.
Yes, we could have done with more apples.
You're getting very skimpy on the apples.
Yeah, that's right.
So we put that across.
So that's that. Now, here's your dry ingredients. Oh, yes, there's the butter. I think it's 2 ounces of butter, yes. 2 ounces of butter, 2 ounces of sugar. Is that sugar there, yes?
Yeah.
And an egg. But you do this first. Cream it, I think it's called.
Cream
Yeah, cream it like that. Yeah, that's fine.
See, we haven't had people do this for Dora. She's doing it all herself. Good for you.
There we go.
Do you cook quite a bit at home?
No.
No.
I'm a terrible cook.
All right.
I told you, I'm a terrible cook.
So this is like your prize
Well, this is when I want to, you know, my youngest son does this.
So who will cook Christmas dinner for you?
Oh, I don't know. I've ordered the turkey. Don't forget, I've never had Christmas at home for so long. I've ordered the turkey, And because Daniel wants turkey.
So
I don't care one way
Bill's
or
a
the
good
other.
cook, isn't he?
He's a good cook.
Yes.
And I watch the turkey, but I don't sound. And I watch you cook. There we go. We're doing this one first, though.
All right.
Now, that is a spoonful of baking powder. Would you say that was baking powder?
I would say that was baking powder.
OK,
yes.
it's going in anyway. I think I'm supposed to sieve it. And this is what? What's this?
Let me see what this is.
Oh, I know what it is. Ground rice.
Ground rice.
Yeah. There, that goes
It's
in.
baking powder, but there you go.
I don't know what it is. This is... Now, I'm supposed to sieve all this, you know. I don't do this at home. I don't do it at home. You don't have to sieve it. And then you do that. Terribly simple.
We like your way of cooking, Dora.
Oh, yes, and have the
What was that
radio
you
on.
just put in?
Coconut.
OK.
Yes.
Just thought I'd check.
That's 2 ounces of coconut desiccated. And you're supposed to, so the recipe says sieve it, but I haven't got a sieve. So, there we go.
And if it's not desiccated, you desiccated yourself?
Yeah. So now watch this.
OK, I'm watching.
You can put some more jam in if you like, but I don't. Mm-hmm. And now this goes on the top. But because the dish is too big, it's not going to cover it. It's not going to cover it at all. This is a real mess. This is not right. But it's near enough. There.
Who cares, really? It's a fun, yes.
I'm glad you put a fork there because I've got to make this look more than it is.
So we haven't had enough apples. We haven't.
No, you haven't had enough apples or dry ingredients.
What's this over here?
Oh, I know what it is.
Is it yogurt or cream or something?
No, it's for you.
Is it?
Yeah, you're going to eat this when it's cooked, and I should put some cream on the top.
Oh, I see, OK.
There we go. That's not too bad.
No. That's sort of, yes, that's all right. Well spread out, Dora. Well,
Oh, my germs going all over this pudding. Right, now that goes into a hot oven. Oh, not terribly hot, don't burn it. Regular whatever. And... Oh, put your hand in and find out if it's hot enough. You put it into this up here.
Thing. Yes. Like so.
Like that.
Uh-huh. And then?
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
20 minutes until it goes a little bit crispy.
OK.
And it comes out looking like this.
Oh, wow. Fantastic.
There.
That is gorgeous looking.
That's very nice.
You see, that was a much shallower dish, wasn't it?
Yes,
So that was
it would have
okay.
been better
Yeah.
if it had been a shallow dish.
So you have a nice little crispy bit on the top.
Yes, shall I help you?
Yeah, you do that.
Aren't these spoons nice? Look at this.
Would you like to take one home with you?
I probably will. There you go. Oh, now look, Gloria.
Look at that.
Look at that. Oh, it's
Gorgeous.
lovely. It's a really nice pudding, this.
It's
Just
lovely.
a bit Barry wants some, so...
Barry Humphries would
Yeah, I
like some of
think
this,
he'd
would he?
like some, so I should have done
And
more.
then you serve it, what, with
And then you can
either
have
custard
some-
or cream or a little bit
You
of
can
beef?
have custard, but make the custard really nice and put some single cream in, you know. And, or yoghurt if you're dieting, which I'm never dieting. There you go.
You never need... Look at you. You're skinny as ever you were.
All right. There you go. I think I'll have some of that. There isn't another bowl. Oh, well, never mind. I didn't have any lunch, Gloria, did you?
No, I didn't. I never have lunch.
No. Nice?
Actually, it is really lovely. Genuinely gorgeous.
It is. It's
nice
really
and crisp
nice.
on the top.
Now, if I've sort of muddled you up a bit with my cooking, I'm sure you'll send them recipes.
We have it
will you?
all on our website.
You have?
All the recipe, the
On a
proportions.
website? Whoa,
website.
great.
You're on the web. Do you want a bit of cream?
Yes, please, thanks.
Excellent. You have a tasty. What do you think of it now? Seeing you didn't like Paul Bloxham's the last time.
No, well, I didn't.
Poor man never recovered from that, you know.
Yeah, well, anyway, I haven't got a spoon.
Oh, it's lovely.
Well, it looks as if I've got to use this.
What's the verdict then, Dora?
Very good.
Very good.
Very, very good.
So you're pleased with yourself, are you? Ladies and gentlemen, what can I say but thanks to Dora Bryan, and have a lovely Christmas, Dora.
Thank you very much.
Time.